Now that we have that line folded down, we're gonna go ahead and start gluing it to the sole. So what I like to do, instead of putting the glue on this, because I am using a glue stick, I like to put it on the actual sole itself. So I just go ahead and put my glue down. Now this is gonna get a little bit messy because it is a small shoe that we're making, so you're gonna get glue everywhere. It's okay, it washes off. So we're gonna go ahead and just put glue on the inside of the sole, right? And then we're gonna take our bottom piece that's been folded already, and we're gonna start in the back of the shoe. Now, because this line piece needs to get covered, I'm not actually gonna glue that one down right away. I'm just going to center it so I know where it needs to be. And from there, I'm just going to start gluing those little arrows down all the way around it. You can see it's starting to go around the sole. And I'm kind of keeping mine measured with that little black line that you can see, or trying to, just because it's easier to work that around. My glue is drying up pretty fast because it is a glue stick, so I'm just gonna add more glue. As you can see, mine came off all the way, so I'm just gonna glue one side down at a time. Then once we get to the front, I'm gonna add more glue. Make sure when you get to the front of the shoe that you do curve it around. So you can see it's starting to curve around the front of the shoe. So I'm gonna add my glue to go back down the other side. And I'm just going to continue gluing these points down, these arrows. Okay, now that I have that glued all the way around, I'm going to close off the end parts. So this little arrow that or these little like lines that we have here, they are meant to go behind this one. So you're supposed to cover them like that. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue on the back here so they'll stick, and some glue on this edge. And then I'm just going to tuck this underneath, glue that down, and then I'm going to seal it up. And since this is the base of your shoe, you do want to make sure that you get this part correctly done. Otherwise, your balance and scale will be off. Sorry, your proportions will be off. All right, so there we go. There is the bottom part of our shoe.